To completely remove the app and cancel your subscription with Apple, we first delete the account and app from the child's phone and then finish with the parent's phone. To delete the account and app from a child's phone, first go to the Settings tab on your child's phone and select Delete Account. Enter the PIN to delete the child's account and tap Delete Account. When account deletion is complete, you'll see the SafeZones sign-in screen. The next step is to remove the app from the child's phone by swiping to go to your phone's home screen, and then long pressing on the app's icon and selecting Remove App. Choose Delete App. You'll then see Uninstall Not Allowed and a message requiring parent approval. You'll be asked to provide the Apple credentials that were used when the account was created. Once provided, the app will be deleted from the child's phone. Next, we'll delete the app from the parent's phone. To delete the account and app from the parent phone, first go to the Settings tab and select Delete Account. Then select Delete Family. Note that this will delete your entire family and all members' data and cannot be undone. When the account deletion is complete, you will then be asked to continue by using your phone's 6-digit passcode, if it has one, to continue. Once the SafeZones sign-in screen appears, swipe to return to your phone's home screen. The next step to remove the app is accomplished by long pressing on the app's icon and selecting Remove App. Choose Delete App, then Delete SafeZones. You'll then be prompted to manage or keep the subscription with Apple. Choose Manage Subscription, click on Mobile SafeZones, then Cancel Subscription, and confirm. You'll then see a confirmation screen. Thank you for using the SafeZones app. Please email us at info@mobilesafezones.com with any comments or suggestions for improvement you have to enhance its performance.